Oh, Jesus. There we go. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'd take my glasses off, but can't be bothered. So yeah, fishing, Braided River, Waitaki, and behind me it looks like it's going to shit itself, so thought I'll quickly do my intro. Fishing's pretty hard today. We're fishing a braid that we haven't really fished. Well, I haven't fished. Danny's fished like once, I think. And we've both got a brown each, so good to get a fish on the board, but it's pretty slow, and it looks like it's going to rain. So I don't know if the video is going to go on any longer, but some footage there. Hope you enjoy it. Remember to like, subscribe. Yeah, we're nearly at 5k, so that's it. Righto team, cheers. Yo. Well people, welcome back to day 2 of this adventure. Today the wind is not as bad as what it was yesterday. It's also a backwind, so we're covered from most of it, but yeah, we've come to a new stretch. Just rode the quad to the spot thanks to Danny. Didn't fall off either, which was a bonus. And yeah, we've got a stretch of water in mind that we're going to have a go at, so fingers crossed, get a few fish on the board. Yesterday was alright, we got a fish each, or I caught a fish, Danny caught 2 or 3, but hopefully today it'd be nice to get one on a dry or something, so yeah, stay tuned. Yeah, that was clutch. That was sick. That was mangy. Yeah. That was gangster. Should have my GoPro going, I didn't. That was sick though. That's good fish, eh? I was just like, oh, he's somewhere around there, and then I saw him just sitting under the indicator, eh? Yeah. Yeah, shit. Yeah. Is it a rainbow? No, it's a brown. Pretty long. Oh. Shit. Nice. Man, he's long.
Yeah, it's a nice long fish. Let's get you to take a photo.
What'd he be? 4 on the dot. Nice, bro. I thought he was about 4 pound.
Nice.
Oh.
Good.
Yeah. Yo. 4 pounds. Yeah. Cheers, Jake. Just enough. Yo. Got him out of this run. Didn't have my camera going, didn't have it recording, but yeah, I seen him cruising up there. Danny adjusted his indicator, thought he was too shallow, but he snaked it in that run. Nice. We'll head upstream and try to get more.
There's fish coming up right now, and then right in the middle. Just working its way up now. Clean the shadow. It's down deep.
Pretty good water.
Yeah, it's fucking main water. I reckon I see one.
Whereabouts?
He's in the riffle up here. That's definitely got to be a fish. Yeah, right where you landed. Is that a fish?
I think so.
It is, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, it is. I just seen it move.
Yeah, it
yeah,
is, eh?
yeah. 100%, yeah. It is.
It was. Yeah.
He's sitting in a funny position, bro. Like, there you go.
Oh, boom! Well, yeah, I thought of the fish back.
Yeah. Brownie. Good brownie too. Yeah. Hang on, Mr. Brown. Trying to get me in those snags over there. It's caught up on the other nymph, bro. It's caught up there. Long fish?
Yeah, pretty.
Real long. What would he weigh? Shit, yeah. He's about 4.5, yeah. Is that? Stoked.
No, just
Four?
Just under. Just under.
4,
Just
yeah.
on 4.
4 pound. Dope. I'll get a photo of him.
Another flop.
Yep.
Sweet.
That team. 4 pound. He's a bit bloody lean on it, but cool fish at that. Off you go. Bye bye. Right, second spot. Third or second, I don't know. You get the memo. Nice bit of water. Main river's right there, so a bit closer to main river this time. And yeah, it looks bloody good, so we're going to fish a side each. I'm going to go on this side. There's this pool over there as well that looks pretty mean, so shot back to the car, grabbed my jacket, got my old Stony Peak Thermalite on. If anybody's interested in jackets and wants to buy a nice warm jacket for fishing, hunting, or just in general wear, Stony Creek is the place to get them from, hey? Like, this jacket is so warm. Soup and it's light. I think that may be something to do with Thermalite, the name, but freaking awesome. A little bit pricey, but hey, really, really good. Really good. Alright, I'm gonna get over here, start fishing. Righto, so I've come to the other side. I actually was fishing this pool on the other side, and I just wasn't getting into the bite zone of where I wanted to be. So come over and come to the side that's the deeper part. And I want to get into the places where there's the most current, get down deep, because I know that there'll be fish there. So I got quite a large legged bloody nymph on, split shot, and then a smaller nymph. So I know that if I get it in the right spots, I'll get a fish. Fish in the right depth, obviously, because those rainbows will be down deep. Yep. Told you. Knew I was going to get one. Nice fat rainbow by the looks. Yep. I knew I was going to get one. Matter of time, fishing a deep nymph. Not a happy chappy. But yeah, I knew that was going to work. Right depth. We took the bottom nymph, which is a small little hoover by category 3. As you can see, I'm fishing pretty deep, but yep, do the mahi, get the treat. Hey, little fella. Nice. Nice little Waitaki River rainbow. Look at that. Nice. Get that little nymph out. Should just fall out. Yep. Look at that. Hey buddy. Brilliant. Worked the treat. So yep, I'm running split shot, legged nymph, and then this here little hoover by category 3. It's a bloody good nymph, that one. Caught a lot of fish, and I actually caught my personal best brown on the fly rod on that nymph, which went 18 pound. Believe it or not. Brilliant. Get another, I reckon. Well, people. Oh, hang on. Take my glasses off. There we go. That's better. Rightio, people. We have finished up fishing for the day. It was an okay day. We caught a couple fish each. Wasn't as good as what we were hoping, but the fish we did catch were quality ones at that, so oh well, it was good to get out, fish some new water, and yeah, just get away with a good mate of mine. So what I caught that fish on, last fish, the little rainbow, was just a little, don't know if you see it, but category 3 hoover nymph. I highly recommend their flies. They are top quality. So yeah, we'll end this video off with a thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and I hope everyone had a good opening day or opening weekend. So yeah, keep it tidy. Cheers.